I'm Maureen.
And my name is Yvonne.
Yeah, so today we are going to be talking about what, before we give you our topic, let me just quickly read the comments from last time's video, and very quickly. So Livity said, wow, this is just interesting and very informative. We were talking about 7 types of twins. Yeah. So for her, she thinks it was interesting and informative. And there's a guy called Dimax, he said good work. There's another lady called Nina K. She says the 6th type of twins reminds me of a classmate who, what is this? Oh, who carried pregnancy to term while still getting her menses. She thought they were cramps, kumbe ilikuwa labor pain. So keep commenting on our videos and we'll be very happy to give you our feedback. You can also tell us a range of videos that you want us to do for you. You can send your requests to do them. Yeah. So today we wanted to do a girl chat session, and we have our best friend Yvonne with us. Yeah. And mind you guys, the girl chat is different from the Twins Hangout show. It will be hosted by the 3 of us, and it will also have a segment called Tales of Mavindi. Watch out for that. Watch out for Tales of Mavindi. Yeah, Tales of Mavindi. So quickly, let me just introduce you to this guy. Mavindi is going to be giving us the insights. How guys think, and we are going to be the panel who will be talking to Mavindi to at least educate you on certain things that we didn't know.
And also, if you ever want a guy who can get into your nerves, you gotta watch
Mavindi
for this one.
Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the hostel situations in Kenya. And Yvonne, what do you think about the hostel situation in Kenya?
Some of them are super amazing, and some of them are.
Yeah, I also think most of the hostels in Kenya are very pathetic. There is a very beautiful hostel we love, and one thing I love about that particular hostel, Marin and Yvonne, is that they've really taken mahitaji of their tenants to heart. You know, like when I see it, I really love how they conduct their business. You know, and there's this particular YouTuber who gave everybody a tour. Yeah, but we are not here to talk about the tour or
the hostels either.
Yeah, we are here to talk about this lady.
This YouTuber, I mean, how, like, don't break the rules. And we're here to tell you, those rules, you should not break them at any given time.
Yeah. So before we talk about the YouTuber, let's just first see what she did and how she did it, okay?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't waste your time. Anyway, so today guys is something different because I'm at Kwetu Parklands, basically where I live. I'm gonna be living here for the rest of my life. I'm not sure if my bills act right, maybe we'll be here for the rest of my life. And I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour of the building / my room. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Welcome. Yes.
Hey. Yes. So we're going to the reception, and then from there you can see the basement and basically all the floors. So basically this is the reception. People chill here during meetings. Yeah, an amazing decor. Look at that.
Okay, first of all, you guys, I feel like we have to talk about her introduction and everything. So, you know, actually, the location she's decided to shoot her video is very good.
Yeah,
but the first impression I get when I see how she's dressed, I mean, there is a certain way you can dress and look lazy, but in a classy way, you know.
What was she doing with that thing on her?
She looks like someone who's just come from a shower or something. Or someone who's planning to go to shower, right? Yeah. And then, I get that. There's a way you can try to look lazy when you're in pajamas or night clothes. Yeah. There's a way you can try to look lazy and do it fashionably in a fancy way and look classy. But I'm looking at her clothes first of all. Okay, I really just don't know how. I don't like the way that trouser. I don't like the way it looks on her. So I don't know if it's just me.
I also don't like the way it looks on her. For example, you know, like this lady, this a thick lady.
Yeah.
And, I mean, like, I don't know if this is her first YouTube video anyway.
I mean, but you know,
you have these expectations, like like you wanna look lazy, you're at home, like you can throw in some good pajamas, good t-shirt, good hoodie, but don't just.
The pants make her look like something else. As if it attracts attention in the wrong area. You get me? Like for example, like I mean, there are other girls who can wear exactly the way she's dressed, but do it in a good way, you know. Because when you look at her, at how she's dressed, she sort of looks like someone who forgot to, I mean, she went commando, if you know what I mean, you know. Okay, going commando, I don't know a problem. Going commando is a problem. But how you go commando? Yeah, okay, when I look at this,
do you go commando, like the attires that you go commando in, like you don't just like say today, you know, like you should understand your body as a female, so that when you want to wear something, even if you don't want to throw in some panties, you know, like it has to be, everything has to
you
be
have to wear something that,
you know, that we don't need to see a valley and mountains. No, that's don't do that.
Yeah, actually, when I look at her, you know, there's a way I can look at someone who's gone commando and I know, but they really look good and attractive. But the first thing, when I look at this, the first thing I feel is you know, I feel like you doesn't look pretty. So that is the first mistake, personally, my opinion. I feel like these are big mistakes she's done, you know. Like, I don't know, does she have friends? Maybe a friend would have told me.
Even the videographer, like the person who's doing the video for her, the camera person, like we would have just like, girl, oh my god, nah, but
maybe try something
don't
different.
Do that. Try something different.
So then, as you move on to the video, when she interviews her roommates and everything, when she says hi to the roommates, you can sort of see the way she greets them. I mean, you're a lady, greet people like a lady. She brought them like, bring it in, like that. I mean, personally, I don't know her character, so I'm not going to judge her on that. I don't judge you on that. Okay, I don't know her character, so that one I'm not going to comment. I feel like, you know, the way you choose to greet someone, that's your business. But this is too broski, man.
This is too broski, you know, like when
boys are the ones and a chest bump like that, you know.
I think also like maybe she wasn't that prepared when she wanted to do this video. I think she was ambushing guys from the hostel.
And she was also excited about being in the hostel. I mean, you guys, when you say the hostel is very nice. Unlike other hostels in Kenya, that is a very nice hostel. Okay, so let's move on and see what else. Okay, I've seen something else. So now, if you take a look at the video, there she's dressed. There's that full shot of her that's showing the glasses. So I feel like or I just have an issue with the whole closet because I feel like she could have gotten better shades. You get what I'm saying? The shades, these shades, they look like they're outdated. First of all, they look or they are a bit manly on the one side. Not manly. Even ladies can wear these type of shades, but I feel like it's so kiddish. Like
maybe even my sister in concern would wear those shades.
They'll just
do that.
Things, you know.
Don't do that. You gotta be classy, like you vlogging in a classy place, and you know, just like, hi guys, you know, I've moved to dash, and come on, be in that place. We need to see you.
But I think it all comes down to the person who was helping her shoot this video. First and foremost, maybe she didn't see how she looked like, or if she saw, she thought she looked good, But the person who took the video, it all comes down to that because she was also kind of playing the role of a producer for her.
And then I also felt some type of way when she was like telling her audience is talking on the video, like are you choosing Tanasha Donna, or the other lady? Who was the other lady? Tiwa Savage. I felt some type of way because I didn't feel that was really the content of what she was vlogging. Like personally, as an audience, I had some mixed feelings. Like where did it come from? Because it was just very randomly.
Although I think that is a bit justifiable because if you can see the video well, at the beginning of before she started giving the questions, she said that was the culture of that hostel to ask such questions. So I think that's their culture, you know, the pops and all that. So you guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. Yeah, we remember to watch the Mavindi session, the Tales of Mavindi. We have very great stuff for you lined up. And remember to also subscribe if you're new to this channel. If you've not subscribed, so subscribe and turn on the notification button in order for you to know when we are releasing our next video.
Let us know what you think about this particular video. And most importantly, if you want to get annoyed, like you've gone to work and today you're so gosh,
you want to get annoyed, but also
you want to get annoyed, but you also want to laugh,
Yeah.
and you also want to like, oh my god, Mavindi, what are you thinking about? Don't forget to check the Mavindi still. It's such an amazing. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. Like this is
and also comment. Comment on what you think about.
Below. Tell us what you think, and we will get right back to you. This is a Twins Hangout show, and my name is Yvonne.
Yes. Guys, also remember, aside from our channel, she also has her own channel where she does a different kind of vlog. Yeah, it's called Miss Green.
We'll leave the link below.
Down there. So bye.